everyone, I wanted to do a walkthrough in the basement remodel and show you how the progress is going. So we're met here, like as you kind of are on the landing of the basement, we have what used to be the entry to the room, but we are closing that off, so that wall is going to be closed off, and that what we're looking at right now is the new ensuite bathroom, so that's exciting. I won't show the rest of the basement because it's chaotic, but it is finished. It was only 2 rooms that were not finished in this space, and so there's already a bedroom with an ensuite, but the ensuite opens also to the shared space in the basement, so this is going to be a private ensuite onto this room. And then we are changing all the floors, so all the floors are going to be the same in the basement, which is nice because the carpet is tired. So okay, so here is the bathroom, and I'm going to try to like step into the room and show you guys. So yeah, that will be the bathroom. It is 6 by 9, and on that wall where the old entryway is going to be the vanity and the toilet, and then the opposite side is going to be the shower. And when we pan here, this is where the bed is going to be, 2 nightstands, and then we have a very generous closet space here that are gonna have really pretty doors on there. And then we swing around, and that kind of area there is going to have like a writing desk, and that is going to be the wall for the new entry, double doors, which is exciting. And then on this wall, we're gonna probably do a case good dresser, maybe like a frame TV on top of it. So yeah, very generous space to work with, very excited. And yeah, it's coming along. So next to the bedroom is the gym, and the space is huge, as you can see. So we have all of the fun things like the water heater and the HVAC that are getting closed off, which is nice. You'll still have access with the double doors, also side access with that other door. It'll just be additional storage for the clients, which is nice. As you can see, very fun. But yeah, that will also get a door access. And then this niche is going to be a phase 2. So we are going to add cabinetry, 2 tower cabinets on either side, and then countertop and base cabinets in the center. So that'll be nice for like drop zone, put your drink down, charge your phone, etc. while you're working out, and then probably have floating shelves for towels and all of the things. So we're just trying to figure that out. And then possibly like mini fridge and all of that jazz will go there. And then as we move kind of towards the back of the room, we have this gorgeous little corner because a sauna is going back here, which is such a luxury. Why are you beeping in my video? Anyways, yes, a sauna is going back here, which is very exciting and such a luxury. And I'm so excited that it just kind of, we were just framing out. I mean, it was definitely in the initial plan, but we just didn't know if it was gonna work, but it worked. And so I'm super excited. We're sourcing it right now. But yeah, very excited about that part. And I think here is where the TV is gonna go. It might not make sense now, but a lot of the cardio machines are going to be kind of lined up over on here and over there. So it just made sense to kind of have the TV center to the room, as center as we possibly could, because putting it on that back wall, or that front wall, sorry, and that back wall, it might have been just too far for some of the equipment to see. So anyways, and then I think like this space will kind of be open, like the center in front of the cabinetry will be open, so like mats can go down, if someone's doing yoga or Pilates or any mat work, they can do it there. So yeah, super excited, and I cannot wait to show you guys.